Sony SNE released a picosecond 4 software update for its game console with several new features, in particular, the ability of adults to restrict the amount of time a child uses the system. Other new features include greater customization and improved image quality for games played on HDTV. Adults can now track and control the length of PS4 game time for children. It is possible to set certain hours when play is allowed, such as 10 a.m. at 1 p.m. on weekends, and automatically disconnect the user when the time runs out. Today's parents are trying to limit screen time for children and contextualize it. "This is a really nice and solid feature for parents," he said. The Nintendo Switch, a moving part and a part of the home console, already has a similar function. Launched in 2013, PlayStation 4 has been a great success for Sony. As of December 2017, it sold more than 70.6 million units worldwide. The software update comes amid increased competition from brands such as Xbox and Nintendo. The one-year console of Nintendo Switch sold more units in its first 10 months than any other console. But the PS4 is still the current market leader.